Setcrete High Performance Floor Leveling Compound is a fibre-reinforced, flexible, fast-drying floor leveling compound for use over plywood subfloors and a wide range of absorbent and non-absorbent subfloors. It is low odour, has excellent self-leveling properties, and can be used in light to heavy-duty internal areas such as conservatories and extensions. Pour 4 litres of clean water into a suitable mixing bucket and gradually add 1 bag of powder. Stir with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Do not add further water, and do not mix more material than can be applied in 20 minutes. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared subfloor, primed with Setcrete acrylic primer, and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. Setcrete High Performance Leveling Compound has excellent self-smoothing properties and should be applied at thicknesses between 2 to 15 mm on concrete or sand cement screeds in one application, or 2 to 10 mm maximum on plywood. The use of a spiked roller will help to eliminate trapped air and provide a more uniform surface finish. With a walk-on hardness of just 1 to 2 hours at 20 degrees Celsius, ceramic and textile floor coverings can be installed from 6 hours. The compound should be left for a minimum of 12 hours prior to installing resilient floor coverings.